Hello friends, today we will learn how to use ListView control in Android in very simple way. Let's build a program. File, New, Project. Select Empty Activity, press Next and finish. Okay, I give the name ListView Demo and finish. Here our working environment is ready now. I remove this text by pressing delete. Now select ListView control and place on our screen. I give the ID list1. Okay. Now let's go to main-activity.java. Here I need to create a variable for the list view. So list view, I give variable name of list view like object list view. Okay. Now in onCreate method, we need to bind this our object list view variable to actual list. So I use line object list view is equal to find view by ID capital R dot ID dot our control name is list1. Okay. For the typecasting, we type here list view. Now we need to create array list. Array list, I use string. I give array list name as array list, new array list. Okay. Now I need to add items into this array list. So I use array list dot add method and I will use strings. So in my first line I write 1. I just copy and paste this line. Five times, and in second I write 2, 3, 4, 5. Now our array list is ready and our list view control is ready. Now we need to associate them together. But to add any array into any control, we need to create ArrayAdapter. So I will write ArrayAdapter. I give the name ArrayAdapter is equal to new ArrayAdapter this Android dot R dot layout dot simple expandable list item 1. I select this. Now comma and give our array list name. Our array list name was array list. Okay. So array list. Now adapter is ready with array list. Now this adapter need to add it to our list. So I use object list view control dot set array adapter and our adapter name is ArrayAdapter. So ArrayAdapter. Now our list view control is ready for the lookup. Let's execute our program. It is simple program. Remember here I am going to execute my program on my Vivo mobile phone. Let's execute. See, our program is running perfectly, but there is no item listener is added up to now. So we can just see the display. If we want to respond with every button or every list item, we need to add array listener. So let's further develop our program. Now we need to add listener for each item. So I will use object list view control dot set on item click listener new adapter view on item click listener. Okay. Now our method is ready. On item click adapter parent view variable integer position. Remember here this position variable is very important. It represents index of selected item. So I can use this variable to get the index, and from that index we will get the item name or the caption. So and I want to display that caption or that selected item into the toast message. So my line could be toast dot make text main activity dot this clicked item colon. I want to concat the string, so I use plus array list, our item array list dot get. From the array list I want to get the caption, but which item I want to get from the array list, so I need to supply position as the index variable. Now after the position I need to convert into the string, so toString is the method. Then again toast dot I use length sort, then dot show method. Now our program is ready. Let's execute again. Remember, I am going to execute this program on my Vivo mobile. So let's execute again. Here, this application is running perfectly on my mobile. I hope you understand my programming and like my programming. This is very simple program of array list view in Android.
Hello friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so I can give you more and more updated videos on related topic. Thank you very much. Thank you.